guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an Allure beauty box unboxing. I am so excited to see what came this month because this is the month of the newness. They have now updated the Allure box. This is a new value, so it's $23 a month now, and it's supposed to be valued at over $175 in every single box. I'm so excited to see what we got this month and to open everything up and see if it's worth the value. So why don't we go ahead and get started. Like I said, if you are new to these unboxings, this is a monthly subscription service from Allure. They put in here the best of beauty products, and normally it is $15 a month, but they have recently just upped it. So it's now going to be $23 a month, but you're supposed to receive more full-size items, and it's supposed to be a higher value box. So I want to know if this is going to be worth it, because $15 for me, it doesn't seem as high as $23. Obviously, it's more money, but I feel like it's $15 for, you know, sometimes we were getting full-size products, sometimes we were getting deluxe. The price was still good. But $23 is a little bit more comparable to like BoxyCharm, obviously like the Ipsy Plus. So it's gonna kind of be a little bit more, I feel like I'm gonna be a little bit more cutthroat because I love my BoxyCharm. So I'm just curious to see what we got. So opening it up, here is the magazine. You get one of these in every single Allure box, and it has just all of the product info and the prices and everything like that, which is always super helpful. So first up in here, we have the Allure. This is an ultra hydrating 12-hour facial moisturizer. Here is what that looks like. So I'm very interested to see kind of the actual size of the products, because I know that we are getting like, I think still some deluxe size and also some full size, which I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that now with the price change, because I feel like BoxyCharm, you get full-size products, like all full-size products. So we'll have to see what we think. So this is, again, a moisturizer. I want to go ahead and read what the price of the full-size is in here. So the full size of this is $18.99. So I think just getting the small thing isn't crazy value, because I feel like that's not super expensive. But so we got that, so let's keep it going and move on. I do like how much skincare we get in these boxes. I feel like it's very highly skincare focused, which if you are into skincare like I am, that is something I do love about the Allure box. So up first in here, up next, we have Amore Pacific. This is the Time Response Eye Reserve Creme, and I think this is another, I think it's a deluxe size, but it looks pretty good. Eye cream, I feel like you don't use that much, so I feel like a smaller amount like this probably still will go a long way. The packaging is very cute here. I want to open it and just see how much. Okay, so it's like a decent amount. I feel like you could probably get, I would say like a good like month use out of this one. And let's see the price on this one for the full-size eye cream. I actually don't have that information in here. So I'm not sure on the price on that one for the full size, but we do have that. So let's keep it going here. Up next in here, we have this is from Nature Tokyo, or Nature Lab Tokyo. This is their Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. This is something I've seen, I think in other subscription boxes, but this is again going to be like a trial size. And this is just supposed to help with really detox your scalp and get rid of like any buildup you might have. And I like this brand. I've tried their shampoo and stuff, and I think their brand is good. So the full size of this one is $16. So again, you're just getting a deluxe size. So far we had no full size products, so a little bit disappointed there, but let's keep it going. We never know. So up next, I see full size. Actually, I think, maybe not. Yes, this is a liquid shadow. I was like, maybe it's a deluxe size. This is from Josephine. I've never heard of that brand. And this is in Glamorously Healthy. And let's see what it looks like. I always like liquid shadows, so the packaging is beautiful. Here's what the packaging looks like. It has like that fade going on. It kind of reminds me of like the Clé de Peau, I think it's called, their packaging. So I'll go ahead and give it a swatch. Is a nice color. It's like a coppery brown shade, swatched really nicely. It looks very pretty. This isn't like my typical color that I go for when I do like a liquid shadow. For me, I normally reach for more of like a gold, silver type of vibe, but it is a pretty color, and it's in Leona, and I think that people could get a lot of use out of this because it is more bronzy, and I feel like a lot of people go for that type of look. The applicator, I do want to mention, was really nice too. It has like a bend to it. Kind of reminds me of like a lip gloss applicator. A nice bend, which I feel like is nice, so you can like kind of swipe it over the eyes. So let's see the full price on this one here. I'm guessing it's expensive, $30. So yeah, pretty expensive for like an actual, you know, liquid shadow, but this one is full size, so that was exciting to get. Okay, this one is from Neogen, and it is a Real Ferment Micro Essence. Okay, so in essence, this is very small. Like, this is a tiny little guy. And again, let's see the price on the full size. The full size is $38, and we are getting this one here. In essence, I feel like, again, you don't use that much product, but if you're going to use this daily, it says for brighter, softer, and deeply hydrated skin. I'd probably say this would probably last you like a week if you were trying it out. So probably not as much use as you'll get out of the eye cream. And then let's see what we got next. This is from Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Interesting. Okay. So skincare products, this one does look to be full size. This is in from Dermalect Cosmeticals. Okay. And here is what that looks like right here, like the red packaging. Not a lot of brands do red, I feel like. This says it's glycolic, salicylic, and L-absorbic acids. Let's read and see what it does. Apply on cleansed skin and allow for serum to absorb. No need to wash off. But what's it do? Overnight treatment effectively revitalizes dull skin. Focus on fine lines, wrinkle, large pores. Great for age spots, uneven skin tones, multitasking facial application. Okay, so it's going to do a little bit of everything and help you out. I haven't heard of this before, but that doesn't mean it's not any good. Let me know if you guys have tried it. It does retail for $42, so that is definitely going to pay for your box if this is something you're excited to try or something you've been, curious about. That is in here, and I still see quite a few more products, so I'm going to keep it going here. Up next, we have from Monica Dar. This is their Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. I've been recently getting into this brand a little bit more. I've been trying her powders. I have a contour palette, like a little double. It's like a bronzing palette, and then I have her face powder that's really nice. So this is a moisturizing lip mask, and I haven't tried this one, but lip masks are always good, especially as we get into the cooler months here, and especially like here in Michigan. I got the hat on. There's snow on the ground this morning, so I was like, I'm gonna be cozy. So I like the fact that we got this because lip products are great. This does retail for $48. Wait, no, that can't be right. Okay, $22. I was looking at the next product. I'm like, this is not that much. $22 for that. So, good value there as well. The next product is the one that I was reading. So this is from Skin Medicata. This is the Instant Bright Eye Mask. This one is $48 for a set of 6. Dang, okay, these are expensive then. 6 patches are $48. All right, let me see what it has. So it says, noticeable between lack and sleep, coping and diet. So it's going to help your plump under eyes appear more plump, dark circles aren't gone. So basically it's gonna help with brightness and dark circles, but it is just one patch there. So I'm hoping to see miracles with that for that price because that is expensive. And then there is one last thing in here, and it looks like it is a sheet mask. And this is from When, and it says the last choice, a Biocelsis sheet mask here. So here's what that one looks like. It says give your skin quench it needs for thirst. And it says long-lasting moisture. So it's going to be a moisturizing mask. It says you can leave it on for 30 minutes here. And price on this one is going to be $5 for the mask. Okay, so I want to summarize everything we got in here. So we got the mask, the eye patches, which I love getting stuff like this because I regularly mask, and I think that anything that we can use like these, I love. And so we have a mask, the eye patches, we have the lip mask, so that all kind of goes together with, like I said, the skincare. Kind of have everything you need. You got the eye cream and then also the essence, so those are great as well. The essence, I feel like it's a little bit small. The eye cream is smaller, but I do feel like you will get use out of it because you only need the tiniest bit of eye cream. This, I kind of feel like there could have been a bigger one in here, but this is the scalp scrub, so we did get that as well. And then we also got the moisturizer, so really everything you would need, as well as the serum. You could literally do a full face of skincare here. And then we also got the eyeshadow. So I don't think that this is like blowing me away, like as far as, products go. It's a lot of brands I really don't know much about, but sometimes that's good. Sometimes I find like new gems that I love that I didn't know I love. But as far as like value, I feel like it's there if you look at the price of the products, but I will say I'm a tad underwhelmed with the stuff that we got for like the first, box. I kind of thought they'd go a little like crazier. Like we've gotten Anastasia in here before, we've gotten Huda Beauty, things like that. So I kind of feel like for the first box, they could have went with like maybe more well-known brands, but never know. Maybe you guys know these brands, maybe you love these products. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Let me know if you are subscribed to Allure, or what you think of this box, if you like the price increase, are you excited for more full-size products? Let me know down below in the comment section. Give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, friends.